Hello art friends, get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing Miss Prissy, Foghorn Leghorn's lady friend. So I'm going to lay this out. She's got a great big bonnet and bow, and her hands are also folded. She's got a nice little tail on her and some legs and feet. All right, now we are ready. So to start Miss Prissy, we're gonna draw a line like that, and it's gonna come up, back down, and we're gonna put some black pupils on her with a little light shining. Then we're gonna draw another eye. This one's gonna be a little smaller, like that. Go, and then in the middle of that she's got a little whatever you call those chicken people, and then it comes down like that. All right, then out of her eyes we're gonna have a line that comes down like that, and that's the top of her beak. It's gonna come back up like that. And then she's got a line coming up from her eye and a little smiley face. All right, then we're gonna start her bonnet. So her bonnet is gonna start kind of about down here, and it's gonna come up, and then it's gonna come around and back down by her eye right here. Then we've got some more stuff over here. So this is the other part of her beak. I should have ended that line quicker. Then we've got her Miss Prissy glasses. We'll just put those right in there where I should have finished the one line. And then we're gonna have a line coming around. The other line, and then we're gonna have a line coming back. Yes. Okay, then we're gonna have a line coming up, back down, around, and back up. And we'll put a little rectangle here. And we're gonna put a little line here for the bottom of her beak, just like that. And back here for the back of her little bonnet, have a little curving line. Then we have another curvy line. It kind of looks like a butterfly. That's the other part of her bow. Then we have a line coming down. And we have a line coming down here, zigzag, zigzag, around back like that, little line there, and we have a line here coming around, zigzag, zigzag, and back around, and there's her folded arms almost, and then we just have some little curving line here for this folded arm coming out right there. Then we have a little line there. And then it comes down, as well as her bow tie, like that. Then we have her little leg, another leg, there's that part, and then we have her chest coming out there, line back, and a line up for her tail, and then some lines coming down, just like that. Excellent work. curvy line there for one leg. There's her heel. It's gonna come front. There's another one, comes back. And then this one overlaps, so it's gonna come back, around, and we just have two toes showing here. Just like that. And there we have it, Miss Prissy. Hey, if you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thank you for watching.